My fiance is the best planner in the whole world, and it was actually difficult for me to get the best way to have a surprise engagement party for her.
So today is the big day. I'm going to ask a big question, and I hope she says yes, because that's the only answer I need in my life right now. Big yes. See the lady right there. I love her so much. Nothing else matters to me right now. Wish me luck.
So I thought to myself, why not let her do this herself? Why not let her plan the engagement herself? So I got my siblings and my parents and her siblings and her parents as well involved in the planning. I actually made her think she was planning an engagement party for my immediate younger sister.
Today is a very important day for someone special, surprise, and plan. Yeah. Okay. So I got the ring, so beautiful. I can't wait to see it on her hand. Her fingers rather. And I can't wait to hear her say, yes, I do.
She went as far as getting the ring, choosing the venue, the food, and inviting all the guests and making sure everything was set for the surprise, which she didn't know was actually for her. So she's about to get the surprise of her life.